Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ultimate Phone Guide. Today, we're talking about the Infinix Note 40S 4G, a feature-packed smartphone that delivers premium specs at an affordable price for the Indian market. The Infinix Note 40S comes with a 6.78-inch AMOLED display, offering a 1080x 2436 pixel resolution with vibrant colors and deep contrast. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a smooth experience whether you're gaming, scrolling through social media, or watching videos. The phone features a modern center punch hole cutout for the front camera, giving it a sleek and immersive look. Powering the device is the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset, a 6nm octa-core processor optimized for smooth performance and gaming. It is paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, providing ample space for apps, photos, and videos. The phone also supports virtual RAM expansion, allowing an additional boost in performance. For photography enthusiasts, the Infinix Note 40S boasts a 108MP primary camera with an f1.9 aperture, ensuring high-resolution images with excellent detail. Alongside the main sensor, there's a depth sensor and an AI lens for enhanced portrait shots and improved overall photography. On the front, the 32MP selfie camera delivers sharp and detailed selfies, perfect for video calls and social media. Keeping the device powered is a 5000 mAh battery, providing all-day usage without the need for frequent charging. The phone supports 33W fast wired charging and an innovative 20W wireless MagCharge feature, making it one of the few budget-friendly phones to offer wireless charging. The Infinix Note 40S runs on XOS 14, based on Android 14, delivering a smooth and feature-rich user experience. It includes dual stereo speakers tuned by JBL, offering immersive sound quality for media consumption. Security is taken care of with an in-display fingerprint scanner and AI face unlock. Other features include dual SIM support, NFC for contactless payments, and an IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance. In India, the Infinix Note 40S is expected to be priced around 15,000 rupees to 18,000 rupees, making it an excellent choice for users looking for a powerful and stylish smartphone on a budget. Available in obsidian black and vintage green, this phone combines aesthetics with performance, making it a solid contender in the mid-range segment. That's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Infinix Note 40S. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ultimate Phone Guide for more smartphone reviews. See you in the next one.